Yo, what's up?
How you doing?
My name's Kyle. This is my brother Drew.
Alright, you take. Alright, here we go.
I made this Connects crossbow last night.
This thing packs some heat.
We're gonna fire it at my brother to see what it does. If you wanna get the designs for it or another one, go to www.instructables.com. They'll show you how to do it. Countdown to fire. 3, 2, 1.
Ah! Oh!
That's on a sweatshirt.
That was fun, dude.
Alright, take
look,
2.
Look, dude, that's like a welt. Look at my sweatshirt.
Take 2, we're gonna shoot him with just his t-shirt on.
Right. What?
Please talk!
Countdown to fire. 3, 2, 1.
Ah!
Let's see the
Moron!
Ah!
You okay, dude?
Let's see the
Alright. So, getting ready for take 3 here? Shoot
Yeah.
at my brother without his shirt on. Let's do this.
Alright.
Countdown to fire. 3, 2, 1.
Ah! Ah!
Oh my god, I can't believe we just did that.
Alright, dude.
Let's look at this one. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. That cut right down the stomach.
Oh!
Look at all the damage.
Alright, thanks, dude.
all up here.